Hey guys, long time no talk. Hopefully everyone's doing well today. Just haven't done a video in a while, so I figured, you know what, this would be a perfect time to put a video together. Don't mind the purple in my glasses. These have blue light blocking capabilities. So this is a blue light here in front of me. So it's going to do what it's going to do. Anyway, what am I doing in a lovely hotel room on a Saturday morning? Well, I'm in Michigan. My niece, Brianna, is battling cancer, some type of aggressive brain cancer, and asked me to come out and visit her. She thinks I'm funny, and you know what? You don't tell a young lady. Yes, she's not even 20 years old yet, and she's battling this horrible disease. But you don't tell a young lady no when they ask you to come out. So you just get in the car. You just get out to Michigan from New Jersey and you make things happen. Yesterday was my first day here. And we went out for dinner. We had good times. We laughed and we ate. And I had Olive Garden for the first time in many years. And I'm a snob when it comes to food. To me, I became too good for Olive Garden many years ago, maybe 15 years ago. I stopped going to Olive Garden because I decided I needed to eat more mom and pop places, more unique dining experiences instead of the cookie cutters that are found in Olive Garden, Houlihan's and stuff like that. Nothing against the quality of the food you get there. Just, I was looking for more experiences with my dining from that point forward. Bringing that up because we had a wonderful waiter named Alex yesterday who took care of us, made everyone feel comfortable, made everyone laugh. He had a DJ radio voice or an audiobook voice, and I was sure to tell him that he cannot go the rest of his life without at least trying to do a book on tape or whatever they're called these days. So while I'm here, my thought was do a wonderful photo shoot of Brianna and her family so that, it's important to feel beautiful in your life. And she's a very beautiful girl. And we want to make sure that we capture that so she can see how beautiful she is and know that while she's struggling and fighting, that we all love her and stuff like that. So what did I bring with me to capture the family? Well, not knowing what I was going to be working with, I did not bring a full kit or a large kit. I brought one strobe light, one speed light, the Godox 864. I think this is version 4. I think it's the version 4 because it has the LED light built into it, and one trigger for that. I didn't bring a stand. I brought a foot. I asked my friend Omar Gonzalez, what would he take on a trip like this? And he was very smart and wise at telling me, packs low, use natural lighting, stuff like that. So one speed light, a trigger, and a foot as opposed to a stand and an umbrella and all that kind of stuff. Then I brought with me the reacquisitioned 55 millimeter 1.8. I love this lens. It was sub $400 this week on Facebook Market, and I could not leave it there. Like 3 something. Come on, this is $1,000 lens, brand new. And even though it is one of Sony's oldest mirrorless lenses, I think it's still one of the most amazing lenses out there. I brought with me the A7 IV, my workhorse. I love her, and she's gonna make things easy for me. I was thinking about bringing the Fuji as well with me, but then I decided that I didn't want to travel with all that. My entire camera bag is this big. This is it. It's smaller than your average backpack, so exactly what I needed. I brought with me for wide options if I needed to go anything wide. Like she has a brother, Markel, and a sister, Gigi, and her mom, Baro. So if we needed to get any family shots, I decided I was going to bring the Tamron 20 to 40 millimeter, which is becoming one of my favorite new lenses. It doesn't give you massive reach, and it doesn't give you 16 millimeters full frame wide, but I think 20 to 40 with a 2.8 is very powerful. I did a photo shoot with Jeremy Cruz a couple weeks ago, and when I was at 40, the bokeh, that's how Dustin Abbott says it, the bokeh that I got from this at 2.8 at 40 millimeters, I did not realize it was this lens. At first I thought it was my 85. Then when I checked the settings, I realized, oh wow, that was the Tamron. So I was very impressed with it. So I bring that with me because, again, look how compact and lightweight. Look how compact it is. So small, just the size of my head, depending on size of my head. And then Old Glory Trusty here, the 85 millimeter 1.8, one of my all-time favorite focal lengths and one of my all-time favorite lenses when it comes to portrait work. So between these three lenses, this camera body and natural light, we're going to capture Brianna and the family and have memories that they could always look back on and enjoy creating. I'm their favorite uncle so far. Don't tell their other uncles. They haven't officially said this out loud, but I know what they want to say. All right, that was just a quick video letting you know, guys, what I'm doing. Grand Rapids, Michigan, beautiful sunset when I landed yesterday, and I got into the car driving to the hotel. The sunset was amazing. I just, I didn't capture it well with anything but the iPhone, but I was really impressed with the sunset. So in different parts of the country, the sun sets in different ways, so you have to always appreciate that. All right, I'm gonna wrap this up, stop whispering, and just post it straight up. Probably get some music to go alongside it and then post it. But anyway, guys, hope everyone's doing well. What is your favorite travel kit when you know you're gonna go somewhere to do a shoot? Not for fun. For fun, I would have just brought the 20 to 40, and maybe the 85 to get some reach. If I was looking for a quick portable fun kit. Or actually, I probably would have brought the Fuji X-T2 with 18 batteries and my 18 to 55 millimeter, because ultimately, it's all you really need, right? That's probably what I would do. All right, guys, what's your favorite kit setup? Travel for fun and travel for work. All right, thanks for stopping by. Until next time, take care. It's your friend Mo.